The shopping centres page is where you add and edit shopping centres. So you enter the centre name, the town, the region that it's in, and this is only used for filtering some of the views. Then the Google Maps marker position. Currently we need entries for latitude and longitude, but we will shortly be changing this to a postcode entry. The abbreviated name, and this is just used for Excel spreadsheets where the long centre name can often be too long. The contact name, so this is the centre manager, their phone number, their email, and then the exec that you wish to assign to that centre. And this allows that person's name and photo to be shown on the bottom of the centres page. The centre owner must be assigned. And then if the centre owner has a legal entity name that you want to show on the license, you tick this box here. The entity name is entered on the owner's page. Show to public allows you to show or hide the centre. And then if the centre is no longer on your books, you can click Archive Centre. This will remove it from the admin section, but the centres and the bookings are still stored so that you can see them for later review. The graph line colour allows you to enter a colour for this centre that will then be used on some of the line graphs. There are then 4 PDF fields, and these will show the PDF on the actual centre page at the front of site. And you can also add one PDF that gets sent out as part of the emailing to the customer. So if we edit an existing centre, you can see all the details that have been entered. Now the actual address here is entered on the secondary centre text page. The reason these are split is that the shopping centres page is only accessible by the senior administrator, and the centres text page is editable by all the exec admins. And here on the centre text page you can see the general text that gets added. So it's the address, the description and the store list. You can also add the web address and the fax if that's still used, the area and the footfall. If you don't add them, then they won't appear at the front of the site. And this is where you would add a photo for the actual centre. The other thing that's significant is the floors entry here. This means that if you have several floors with sites on, you would need to enter the number of floors here. This then allows you to add a different floor plan for each of those floors, and we can see that when we get to the function to add and edit the site locations.